Okay, so here we go. Right now I'm gonna show you a picture I like. It's like this little cheesy Ichigo. It's pretty cool because he has like kind of like the waves, and I like the shape of his eyes. They're like half watermelons, and he's angry. And you have someone? Oh, okay. And that little thing right there, that little line there, and I kind of like it because it's kind of like an anime where like it's like black in this one part, but it's a white in the other, and it's just like the anime. Song gets to is like has black on the top and white on the bottom, and Ichigo's fingers, and he has like this little thing right there, and they show a little bit of his shoe, and there's like a little name there, right there, and this is pretty cool. They have like band color right there. Yeah. And the background is pretty good. Light blue, it's going darker. Got a white line, and even more darker, and it getting even more darker. But there's another white line, which is sort of representing mist, because it's covering his shoe right there. But what I like about this one is because it actually adds a little sparkle right there, and one right there. It's actually kind of realistic, but in chibi version. Well, I guess that's like explaining it. And what I like, it's not like too big. Not too big or too small. Because if it's too small, you can barely see it. If it's too big, you have to scroll around. I like it. And you can do this. That's funny. With most big photos, you can't really do that. There's a pen card down there, and you can grab different sections of it, like his head, his sword. If you grab the middle, I think you'll probably get the whole one. Nearly. But I can see the whole one. So this picture is pretty good. And the thing that's my favorite about it is that this is Chibi. I like Chibi because they're all little cute people. Okay, that's all I have to say about it. So